Hello and welcome to Daily English Zone. My name is Zoe. I am very happy you are here with me today. You are learning English. You are taking time to practice. You are doing something good for yourself. I am proud of you. Today, we will practice shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to English and repeat the sentences. You do not stop. You do not translate everything. You just copy the sounds, the words, and the rhythm. This is a great way to learn. It helps you speak more clearly. It helps you feel more confident. Remember, it is okay to make mistakes. It is okay if you do not understand every word. Just listen. Repeat. Smile. This is your time. This is your practice. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to Daily English Zone. Let's begin. Part 1. Simple daily sentences. I will say a short sentence. I will pause. You repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. I wake up early. I wake up early. I feel tired. I feel tired. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I drink some water. I drink some water. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I eat some toast. I eat some toast. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. I read the news. I read the news. I get dressed. I get dressed. I go to work. I go to work. I take the bus. I take the bus. I sit by the window. I sit by the window. I look outside. I look outside. I think about my day. I think about my day. Very good. Part 2. Talking about feelings. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I am a little sleepy. I am a little sleepy. I feel excited to learn. I feel excited to learn. I am not afraid to try. I am not afraid to try. I feel calm. I feel calm. I feel strong. I feel strong. I feel good about myself. I feel good about myself. If you like this practice, please subscribe to Daily English Zone so you never miss a lesson. Part 3. Positive affirmations. Let's say some kind words to yourself. I can learn English. I can learn English. I am smart. I am smart. I am strong. I am strong. I am getting better every day. I am getting better every day. I am not afraid to speak English. I am not afraid to speak English. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I will keep going. I will keep going. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. Very good. Take a deep breath. Smile. You are doing great. Part 4. Short conversations. Let's practice a little dialogue. Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am good. What are you doing? I am good. What are you doing? I am learning English. I am learning English. That is wonderful. That is wonderful. Thank you. I enjoy it. Thank you. I enjoy it. Another short conversation. Hi. What is your name? Hi. What is your name? My name is Alex. My name is Alex. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Brazil. I am from Brazil. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Great job. You are speaking English. Part 5. Daily activities. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen. I watch television. I watch television. I play with my dog. I play with my dog. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. I read a book. I read a book. I listen to music. I listen to music. I write a message. I write a message. I go to bed. I go to bed. I sleep well. I sleep well. Take a deep breath. You are doing wonderful work. If you are enjoying this, please like this video and share it so more learners can join us. Part 6. Talking about likes and dislikes. I like learning English. I like learning English. I love coffee. I love coffee. I like reading books. I like reading books. I don't like being late. I don't like being late. I like walking outside. I like walking outside. I like listening to music. I like listening to music. I don't like cold weather. I don't like cold weather. Excellent. Keep going. Part 7. Simple questions. What do you like to do? What do you like to do? I like to cook. I like to cook. Do you like to read? Do you like to read? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in a small town. I live in a small town. Do you have a pet? Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog. What is your dog's name? What is your dog's name? Her name is Bella. Her name is Bella. You are doing so well. If this is helpful, please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get new lessons every week. Part 8. More positive sentences. Let's practice more affirmations. I am learning slowly. I am learning slowly. That is okay. That is okay. I trust my process. I trust my process. I am patient with myself. I am patient with myself. Every day, I learn a little more. Every day, I learn a little more. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I will keep practicing. I will keep practicing. Wonderful work. Part 9. Review all sentences. Let's review together. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I am learning English. I am learning English. I am proud of myself. I am proud of myself. I am getting better every day. I am getting better every day. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I will keep going. I will keep going. Beautiful. If you enjoyed this, please like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me, what sentence was your favorite? What do you want to practice next? Final words of encouragement. You are strong. You are strong. You are smart. You are smart. You are improving every day. You are improving every day. English is not only a language you study. English is not only a language you study. It is something you live. It is something you live. Keep practicing. Keep practicing. Keep repeating. Keep repeating. Keep believing. Keep believing. I am very proud of you. I am very proud of you. Thank you for spending this time with me. Thank you for spending this time with me. See you next time. See you next time.